30 verse 17, it says, for I will restore health unto thee, and I will heal thee of thy wounds, saith the Lord Yahweh Bahasham Yahushai, because they call thee an outcast. Who did the other nations, big man? Saying, this is Zion, whom no man seeketh after. So they can bow to be, big man. These are the people here, big man. This is Zion, which no man seeketh after. Wait, they didn't give us understanding of who we are. You know what I mean? They laughed at us, scorned at us. You know what I mean? They use us. You remember it's good Dubai and get shake pan for $50,000. But then tell you, they didn't say we ain't nothing. They got $50,000. But they man like don't let them in them, let Ishmael shake for them. Right? Disgrace, man. For $50,000, big man. God damn, boy. They ain't going to buy a phone, bro. Watch out for that shit. You know these men eat beer can't camel meat. These men eat beer can't, big man. So then you can go up beer about 4 times. Watch out for that saying. Then try to masquerade it with some perfume or whatever. Come back to the States or wherever it is it come from and make people feel that you make it. Or you better Louis Vuitton bag or you expensive shoes. God damn, man. Woo. Come on, damn, boy. Think about that, big man. Anyhow, verse 18. Thus saith the Lord Yahweh Bahasham Yahushua, behold, I will bring again the captivity of Jacob's tents, and have mercy on his dwelling places, and the city shall be built up, and the city shall be built upon her own heap, and the palace shall remain after the manner thereof. And out of them shall proceed thanksgiving, and the voice of them that make merry, ever multiply them. Yeah, what? Ever multiply them? What I mean, big man? Man, go up there. There'll be a lot of bar licking in the kingdom, man. Huh? There'll be a lot of bar licking in the kingdom, man. They ain't gonna women know. You know what I mean? Or there are women out there that for some one reason or another they ain't want you in a man. All I can change, brother. Read that again, big man. And out of them shall proceed thanksgiving. Yeah? So you can be happy. And the voice of them that make merry, again, they can be happy. They can be joyful, big man. Right? Because we wake up from that dream. Was that preset in songs? I was like, then that dream, man. Huh? It says, I never multiply them. I mean, like, multiply me, big man. Yeah, what the Genesis be fruitful and multiply, brother. And they say you ain't got to worry about nobody. Inject your children with these different jobs. You know what I mean? You ain't got to worry about children being kidnapped. You know what I mean? You ain't got to worry about things that you got to worry about now, big man. You know what I mean? These pedos over here, big man. One molest your children. You know what I mean? And then, hey, but it's one picture my brother put up where this woman from. I forget where she from, boy, but she was breaking the bones of newborn, quote unquote, black babies, big man. You know what happened? You want me to get off, big man? You want me to get off the cut? You want me to get off, big man? You want to breaking the bones of newborn babies, big man? And eat them out. And she get off, yeah? Wow, scared? She get off, big man. You think that she can sit on that daughter of Zion? Let me reign together. You be talking about, big man? There's so much judgment coming upon this world, big man. Anyhow, I will multiply them. There shall not be few. You see? But the scripture says, I think it's Isaiah 60 and 10. Isaiah 60 and 10, no, when it says, a little one shall become a strong nation, man. See, the Lord, we can do a lot of, again, we can do a lot of licking in the kingdom, big man. Because the scripture says what? We can have multiple wives, big man. You understand? Multiple wives and concubines, brother. You understand? Multiple wives, big man. And now you got to rape another adultery. You know what I mean? You got to point a condom. You got to get a blood test. What, like she ain't going to AIDS. Nothing so, big man. Clean and good, pure. The food, you actually be one with your body, big man. If you eat this food, it's like, oh man. Everything is flow, big man. You ain't got to buy no vaginal cream. know what I mean? Because she can't get wet. Right? Yeah, men is going to get penis enlargements. You know what I mean? Get right near, man. Men going to get penis enlargement. Man, she said, hey, this one thing I read. This woman, she had a man. The man had 13 inches, boy. And the man, the best is cut. The man, she got 13 inches. And even this woman, I can feel nothing. The man, the best. The man said, you can believe I got 13 inches of wood. 13 inches. And they go on and say, here, so ram. And they can drop on the well. Ah, hurt my back. Oh, man. All they say, they beat up big man. Because you got 13 inches. Huh? Lord have mercy, boy. Man, you see, when you pep up on the seven down to right, it is pulled. Because you taking in multiple spirits. Remember, the woman's the receiver, the man's the giver, the man's the planter. Now we Lord tell me now, we're supposed to give a one man. Till that man pass, they ain't gonna marry but in the Lord. Because you retain the DNA of every man you deal with. So remember the see me ain't pop down a thing? That's because you too much money, brother. Cosmetic surgery, they gotta get cosmetic surgery and makeup and all kind of thing. Just to try to maintain the appearance, right? Maintain that youthful, quote unquote youthful. There's real tight bras, try to keep the bra. If the ass sagging is going upon, so ain't tight to try and keep it up. You know what I mean? Every minute looking in the mirror, see if it's still up. Huh?
She feels like lots of fat man.
Lord have mercy, boy. Look. It says, I will also glorify them, and they shall not be small. So what I mean? Yeah, come on. They shall not be small. You can get the visa for me? Or wait, man. It's good to see as is it Isaiah, man? So it can be a lot of bar licking in the kingdom, man. Like you said, you ain't gonna worry about nothing, big man. Yeah, Isaiah 60. We get out of here, man. That ain't a shot, man. You gonna about your woman looking at another man trying to deal with your woman. You gonna about, hey, listen, me, man, you see me, Lord willing, right? Lord willing, big man. Cause women like to travel, they want to travel, the problem might give you water. See that planet there, that's your planet there, like alone there, carry your servants there, that's your planet there. Man, she would never get bored, big man. Never get bored, brother. Cause every day can be saying you to do. Right? Because we in the kingdom of heaven, brother. She ain't got servants, she ain't got handmaids. You know what I mean? Right? We can be connected, connecting with one another telepathically, man. Right? You come in here tomorrow, or you can here tomorrow. Boom, show up. Food and prepare. It can be beautiful, big man. Just go imagine, you know what I mean? Scripture says there's nothing impossible with the Lord, brother. Isaiah 16:22. It says, yeah, come on, man. Isaiah chapter 60, right, and verse 22, right? We start 21. Thy people also shall be all righteous, right? So, you no more murder your brother, murder your sister, you know what I mean? Right? Eating these abominable foods, right? You name it. Thy people also shall be all righteous. They shall inherit the land forever, right? So we ain't being taken over again, like 70, 80, etc. You understand? Not a soul no more, brother. It says, the branch of my planting, the work of my hands, that I may be glorified. Verse 22. A little one shall become 1,000, and a small one a strong nation. I, the Lord, be hastening. And they saying, how will little one become 1,000? Could be, you know, a lot of bar licking in the kingdom, big man. Huh? Hey, listen, a woman passed the other day here. I saw her on the internet. She was a surrogate mother. She born gave birth to 200 babies. Right? 200 babies. This one woman here. But when she got her own child, and she passed giving her own child. So all the other children, she was a surrogate for. You understand? She had a man and said, when you get a man, Bram, get pregnant again, this child here cash. So you Lord's work, brother. 200 babies, big man. Oh, damn, boy. So in the kingdom, big man, ain't been there so no more, brother. You know what I mean? They be good. You got used to market? They gonna get cows. Alright, they can shut up, man. So you go ahead, they can shut up.
You can't snack it. Okay, girls.
The little one shall become 1,000, and a small one a strong nation. I, the Lord, Yahweh, but I shall may have a shall be hasten it in his time. So back in Jeremiah 30 and 19, and out of them shall proceed thanksgiving, and the voice of them that make merry. So, hey, we could be any more drunken man, like Holy Father, but just say there's no drunk. Maybe he drunk, you know what he father do. He serve, you know what I mean? Stumbling on the eyes red.
Flame of fire.
Yeah, eyes red. That woman screaming on there, man. Eyes red like that there, man. Huh? But I think there, eyes red, man. All set. Looking for comfort. So he comfort is to go and drink alcohol. Another man's comfort is to be reveling all the time. But wherever this flesh will have you to be comforted in, to try to escape what's going on, right? But all comfort is in these scriptures, man. Is right? So he says, and the voice of them that make merry. Right, hey, Psalms 149, they shall sing aloud upon their beds. Yeah, Psalms 149, from one on down, big man. Right? It says, and I will multiply them. See? I will multiply them, and they shall not be few. So we can be, hey, he's already inside of the sea. You know, Ephraim means I am fruitful. You know, J like, Lord mercy, man. Anyhow, I will also glorify them, and they shall not be small. Their children also shall be as aforetime, and their congregation shall be established before me. I will punish all that oppress. I will punish all that oppress them. See that? I will punish all that oppress them, and their nobles shall be of themselves. See? And their governor shall proceed from the midst of them, right? King David, right? It says, and I will cause him to draw near, and he shall approach unto me. For who is this that engaged his heart to approach unto me, save the Lord, Yahweh, by Hashem, and ye shall be my people, I will be your power. Yeah, man.
My people.
So I can shout there to the spirit.
My people all the time. Not everybody.
Yeah.
Because my people Israel
all the time, big man. My people Israel. My people Israel. My people Israel, man. You know me? Hey, Shalom. Hey, Lauren, sweet Barakatah, Yahweh, Hashem, Yahushai, Allah, Yahweh, Hashem, Yahushai, Hashem, Mokar, Kudash.
The God of preset the channel up for my camp. The says that. Of course, you can put his spirit on you.
That's Ezekiel, big man.
Is it Ezekiel?
You got me Ezekiel.
I got it written down, but I can't.
It could be. Michael type that Ezekiel, big man.
Let me see Ezekiel.
Give me the man, wait, man. That Ezekiel, but I will put my spirit.
Ezekiel 28.
Either 28 or 36. Wait, I can say it now, man. I will put my spirit.
3?
No, that is Ezekiel 36.
36?
Ezekiel 36.
I'm more sure sitting right now.
Ezekiel 36. Verse 25, right? Ezekiel 36, we start at 24. For I will take you from among the heathen, right? Remember, we all 24 corners of the globe, right? For I will take you from among the heathen and gather you out of all countries. Matthew 24, 31. He can send the angels, right? Gather his elect from the four winds, right? I will bring you into your own land. Then will I sprinkle clean water upon you, and ye shall be clean. From all your filthiness and from all your idols will I cleanse you. A new heart also will I give you, and a new spirit will I put within you. And I will take away the stony heart out of your flesh, and I will give you an heart of flesh. And I will put my spirit within you, and cause you to walk in my statutes, and ye shall keep my judgments and do them. And ye shall dwell in the land that I gave to your fathers, and ye shall be my people, and I will be your power. See? Verse 29, I will also save you from all your uncleanness. I will call for the corn, I will increase it, I lay no famine upon you. See? So we can be beautiful, big man. Beautiful, we're gonna have Lord's gonna, Hebrews 8th chapter. He's gonna put our laws in our mind, right? So we can be getting off no more, big man. What causes death? Sin. You understand? So when we get these new bodies, big man, we ain't gonna be sinning no more. Which means we ain't gonna be dying no more. We ain't gonna be no more diseases. Nothing sore, brother. We can be good, brother. We can be beautiful, man. What could tell you all about Shimmy? I would show you, big man. You can be beautiful, brother. And the other nation can be looking at us like them is God's there, big man. You know what I mean? You see, that's how they're supposed to look at us now. Is this a city that men call the perfection of beauty? Yeah, we're supposed to be that city. That perfection of beauty, but don't look at us, big man. You understand? Clothed with filthiness, man. Because you can clean me up, brother. And I will multiply the fruit of the tree and the increase of the field, that ye shall receive no more reproach of famine among the heathen. You see? Real thing, big man. Yeah, man. So, hey, Barakatah Yahweh Hashem Yahushai. You know what I mean? Kingdom of heaven is coming, big man. You know what I mean? Just stay strong and stay mighty and fearful. Real thing, man. Right? Malak Wafla, I will love you in the kingdom forever. Kwame Asha Allah, Rise Israel. Shalom. Lord will next week, man. You know what I mean? Lord will next week.